Hi everyone that owns the Kuat Piston Pro X bike rack. If you're having issues with your lights and the wiring harness, so what I'm trying out is using some of this dielectric grease so moisture don't get into the contact points of some of this wiring from Kuat. Just excuse my makeshift stand so my bike rack don't fall over. I have these boxes, but anyway, so I'm using this moisture to prevent it from getting corrosion and stuff. And let's see how this works. So I have this dielectric grease. Maybe you could also use a bulb grease for that. And so I'm clean. First, I clean it out with some rubbing alcohol and cotton swab, and then I already put a little bit of dielectric grease on the contact points for the lights. And this, I also have it on this one. This is the inside part of the bike rack. It's just, so I already put some grease on this 3 contact points, and hopefully this will solve the issue of the problem of the Kuat Piston Pro X lighting and wiring harness. The problem is the moisture gets in there when it's raining, you car wash, and I think it comes in, might be coming in on this hole. So I would plug that with like a cork, you know, from a wine or something, so moisture don't get in there, right, when you wash your car if it's raining. And let's see how this works. All right, see, I open up the left side of my bike rack, and this is how it looks. All the corrosion and all that gunk getting in there. So now I have to clean that one out and see how this one looks. Oh yeah, that's pretty ugly there. Let's see, I hope it works, and hopefully it's not defective. And let me clean this out, and then I'll show you guys the result in a little bit. Alright guys, I also did grease, put a grease on this wiring harness. Again, moisture gets in there for car wash or when it's raining. So let's see.